Hello everybody. Got another 2023 Salem in stock. This is actually a cruise light model. It's a 24-foot with bunk beds. Bunks are spaced out more than they used to be. I like this. This is a, I don't know if it's steel or aluminum. Probably steel. And they used to be wood, so a little bit more supportive, which is always better. Big U-shaped dinette. You have storage underneath the dinette. You actually get two big storage bins that come with it. Very nice. There's storage even underneath the back dinette back there, if you can see that. Huge spot for a TV. You can put a 55-inch TV on the wall. Bluetooth soundbar. You have a fireplace that produces heat. I like that mirrored look on this. Never had that before. That's new. Look how big this pantry is. Put a garbage can in here, your cleaning supplies, Swiffer, broom, dustpan. We have a newer style fridge here. Got the residential still. It's a gloss black. I like it. Looks clean. Well, technically it's not clean. It's got fingerprints on it right now, but it will be clean. Just has a clean look. Oh, the backsplash is different too. Ooh, I like that. Oh wow. It actually has a fake seam on it. Very nice. Let's check out the bedroom. I am digging these new colors. Very bright, modern. Ooh, you have a laundry chute with a net in there. You can take that out, that's removable. They cut the edges of the bed so it's easier to get around the bed. But it doesn't shorten your bed up too much. Just on the very, very edge, it's just slightly, not much. Cubby holes in both sides of the cabinets there. You can use it as a phone charging station or a CPAP machine holder. And then look at all this extra storage you get. Under here, you get these storage bins that come with it. You have a spot underneath. You put your shoes. And you can access your past your storage just in case you push something in there too far and you can't reach it. You can go underneath the bed and reach it from in here. Dimmer switch for the lights. Let's see how this works. Oh, there we go. Dims it down. Goes back up. Last but not least, check out the bathroom. Got an entrance from the outside. Easy entrance at the campsite right there, especially if you have kids. If you have this model, you're probably going to have kids or grandkids with you. Less traffic through the camper. They can just go in and out right there and use the bathroom. Thank you guys so much.